guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming through with another hair unboxing, and this time it's going to be from Hair by Belle Bree, and this is going to be the start of my series. I always wonder what happened to companies that were so big on YouTube and like nobody talks about them anymore, or you can't find like any recent reviews on YouTube about them. And I'm like, I wonder if their hair is still good. They're still in business, so are they still good? Are they still worth the hype? So I decided to start this series, YouTube throwbacks. Is it still good? And I'm starting with one of the real OGs, which is Hair by Belle Bree. Now back then their Burmese exotic wavy and their Brazilian curly were like the top sellers. Like everybody wanted to get their hands on that hair, including me. But I never got to try it. Like, I just never got to try it. So now that I saw that they were still in business and they were having a sale, so I bought 3 bundles and a closure of their their Burmese exotic wavy to try out. So if you guys are seeing this video, you know what that means. Either the wig is already made and I'm currently, doing the 1 week, getting ready for the 1 week update with you guys, or the wig is currently being made. As you can see, the hair comes in a USPS package. It also comes with a nice little note on the inside, as well as hair care instructions. The hair also comes with an individual card on each of the bundles, as well as the Hair by Belle Bree branding wrapped all around the bundles. I got a 16, 18, and 20 inch, I believe, and a matching 5x5 HD closure. The clips that I'm showing you guys is the hair straight out of the package, and now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like co-washed and everything. So this is the closure co-washed. Beautiful pattern, absolutely beautiful, and it bleached really well as well. And my bundles, they're all very consistent, and this curl pattern is so very beautiful. And this is going to be one hell of a thick full install, because look at these bundle sizes, y'all. They did not skimp on hair when they secured these bundles. Okay, honey, the hair is extremely soft. It smells good, doesn't have like a bad smell, and the ringlets to the bottom of these bundles are just like to die for, y'all. So I cannot wait to get this in my head so I can tell y'all the tea on whether this company is still serving good hair or has the tea gone cold. Shipping, they do state on the website that it takes 2 days for processing and about 5 to 10 or 5 to 7 for your hair to ship out. My hair shipped out around, like, in total of all of that, the 2 days for processing passed, and they do email you when your hair is done processing. They did email me, tell me it was out of processing, it's being prepped for shipping, and it shipped around like probably 3 days after that, somewhere along those lines. But it didn't take really long to ship, like probably like a week to a week and 2 days, maybe, the full process and whatnot. But when the hair did ship, the hair came really quickly. I think it came within like 2 days. So they don't play about that shipping, honey. Once your hair ships, you're gonna get it very quickly. Now, you guys know that I am an international customer, and I do purchase hair using like my American shipping address, and I do ship it there and everything. So one thing that was kind of weird to me, the reason why I knew I could have purchased from this company was because one of my friends, like years ago, she had purchased their hair and worn it and whatever, so she didn't have a problem with it. So when I went to purchase, my car was declining, and I was like, excuse me, which means decline, check your payment information. So I emailed them. They're very responsive. I might as well tell you their customer service is very responsive. So I emailed them on their customer service email, but I was told that they don't accept international payments, which was kind of weird to me because I'm like, if you don't accept international payments, then how did my friend purchase all those years ago? But I gave them the benefit of the doubt. I was like, okay, then maybe, you know, they changed their policy or something. But I went to the website, and clearly the website hasn't been updated in like years because, well, at least not the FAQ section, because the shipping times and prices, they're different from what is actually on the website, especially when you check out. They do claim that they ship internationally to like Canada and maybe like one or two other places, and that they do accept international payments, and that they also have PayPal as an option. But when I mentioned all that, they was like, oh no, they don't do international payments. They don't have PayPal as an option anymore. And so I was like, okay, whatever. You know, I was over it at that point because you're missing out on such a large market, cutting out your international buyers. So I was really mad about that, but I was like, okay, whatever. I was bummed because I really, really wanted the hair, but I just let it go. And then like the next day, literally the next day, something whispered in my, the Lord just told me, girl, go check the website, go check the website, go check the website, girl, check the website. So I went back to the website, and lo and behold, the PayPal option to pay just magically appeared after I told them that it wasn't there, and that they told me that they didn't do that anymore. So if you don't do it anymore, then why it magically reappearing? But okay, whatever. So I still went ahead and I made the order. I'm like, Lord, I done made these people mad. They think I'm having an attitude. They probably think I'm a horrible customer or whatever. They're probably going to cancel my order when they see my email and everything coming through. But they didn't. I'm like, Lord, they probably going to cancel it because they already said they don't take international payments. So it's probably like, you know, an issue with fraud or whatever. But they didn't. It went through. Lo and behold, I got a confirmation email that my order has been received and it's going to start processing and everything. Then I got a shipping email after my hair was done processing, and I was like, okay. So that's really the only little quirk I had with this company. It's like the information isn't cohesive. And when you're dealing with customers, I think that's something that's really important, that you have to have accurate information and that it's cohesive from person to person and person to website and website to person to client, you know. So yeah, but other than that, I've heard nothing but great things about their hair, so I'm really excited to try it out. So yeah, until my next video, guys, I will talk to you guys soon.